Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to do a manicure using these double dip new colors. So double dip sent me over these colors and I am so excited because this is their Easter collection if I'm not mistaken. And I just double checked, and yes, it is part of their Easter collection. So I got 4 colors, but all in all there are 10 colors. And here's a closer look of the colors. I really love all 4 of them. So yeah, without further ado, let's start. So this is not a part of their Easter collection, but I'm going to use this color. It is called Little Angel, and I'm going to apply it on my pointer and ring finger. So now I am applying the MANIBOSS Dip Base, and the reason why I choose white color is because I decided to add some decals later. And I choose this white glittery color so that even though I put some decal on top of it, it is still going to have that shimmer underneath. This is probably one of my favorite color from Double Dip. I really love how shimmery it is. So yeah, if you plan to purchase from them, I have a discount code. It is Jessie20 for 20% off. So that discount code will apply to, I think, all items in their website, but they have a promotion for the Easter collection itself. So when you buy all 10 dip powders from their Easter collection, you can use my code Jessie30 for 30% off that entire 10 colors. So don't forget to check the description box. I'll be putting all the details in there regarding their promotions and my discount code, which you can use. And just a quick disclaimer, that discount code contains affiliate, meaning to say I earn extra money every time you use my link or my discount code. And of course, it won't cost you anything. The company will only give me a little commission. So yeah, if you want to support me, make sure to check the info box below and use my discount code. Anyways, going back to my manicure, I am now using Daisy Duck. So this is a yellow color and it is really super pretty. It has some shimmer into it, so I'm not sure if you can see that shimmer. Don't worry, I'll be showing it to you later, but for now I am going to apply Donald Duck. So this one is a blue color that has a silver shimmer, like fine micro glitter into it. So I am applying this to my pinky, and I think I will be doing 2 layers on all of these colors. And for my last color, this one is called Cardinal, and I'll be applying this on my middle finger. So this one is a solid red color. And since all these colors are really nice and pigmented, I am only going to do 2 layers. And I am going to clear and encapsulate everything later so that my colors and shimmers are protected. So also don't forget to clean your cuticle area. So I always use a precision tool or a manicure stick for that. And yeah, this is after I applied all the layers of my colors. I did 2 layers for all of them, and I clear and encapsulated off cam, and now I am going to activate. So I know I kind of sound like I am rushing, but I honestly just don't want to prolong the video because later I'll be doing a Waterslide Decal, and I am also going to do some stamping and some nail art. So yeah, as much as possible, I want to keep this video as short as I can because I really don't want to upload a 20-minute video. I'm sure you guys are going to get bored with that. Anyways, going back to my manicure, I'm done applying the activator. So I just did my filing and shaping off cam. I just did a minimal filing and shaping. So yeah, I am now going to apply the decal, and this one is from POSHY nail design. And this design is called A Wildflower, and I really love this. So I am going to get 2 decal from here, one for my pointer and one for my ring. And for the rest of my nails, I think I'll be doing just a minimal stamping. So yeah, I just got the decal and I place it in this like super cute dish. So they call this one Counter Cutie. I got it from 30 Miles North. I'll be putting their website in the description box below so that you can order from them, but they customize designs and colors. You can choose whatever color you like. So I got this one in 3 colors, which is really so cute. So yeah, make sure to support them. So going back to my mani, I just applied gel base and cure it in the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. And now I am removing the decal from the water, and I am just going to remove some of that excess water and then use a clear jelly stamper. So this one is from POSHY nail design as well. So I am going to use this to apply the Waterslide Decal. So I just stamp it on my nail, and I am just patting the decal so that it will lay flat. And by the way guys, I also do have a discount code from POSHY nail design. It is Jessica15 for 15% off. So that one is not an affiliate, it is just a discount code that I can share to my viewers. And yeah, make sure to use that code to save you some money. Right, so I'm just going to do the same process on my ring finger, and I'll let you guys watch and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm done applying all the decals. So if you want a video, more videos about Waterslide Decal, I have a lot of video from my previous ones, and I also created a playlist. So I'll leave it here in the cards up and then down in the description box. So yeah, make sure to check them out. And right now I am already applying my top coat for the decal part because I don't want that to get ruined when I do my stamping. So I want to protect the design. So again, I am using the MANIBOSS 2-in-1 gel base and top coat. Okay, so I cured this in the lamp for 60 seconds, and after curing, let's now begin the stamping. So I got this stamping plate from, I think, AliExpress or Amazon. I'll try to find the link if I can still find it because I bought this like 2 years ago if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just going to use it now. But the designs are really so pretty, so I think it's perfect for this manicure. For the stamping polish, I'll be using Frozen from MANIOLOGY, and if you like to purchase from MANIOLOGY, I do have a 10% discount code, which is Jessie10, so you can use that to save some money as well. So yeah, I just applied a generous amount of stamping polish and then scrape it, and this is the design. So when it comes to nail stamping, you really have to work fast so that you can still pick up the design nice and opaque. And you also need a sticky layer as your base. So I am applying the MANIOLOGY sticky base coat. So this one is unnecessary in stamping. Just make sure to apply a full layer and wait for a minute before you stamp so that the design will really adhere or transfer to your nail. So yeah, I also do have a lot of videos about nail stamping. I also created a playlist as well, so I'll be putting it here on top for the playlist and also in the description box. Alright, so that's it for the nail stamping. I just don't want to overdo it, so I just did one finger. So now I am applying the MANIOLOGY 2-in-1 gel base and top coat again and applying it on my thumb, and I will be putting some dried flowers. So without curing, I am going to add these flowers. So I am going to apply the blue ones here in the yellow color to have like that contrast. So let me just arrange these flowers real quick. And after arranging them, I am still not curing anything here. So I am just putting some of the MANIBOSS 2-in-1 gel base and top coat again on top of it to kinda encapsulate it. And then after that, cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm just going to do the same process with my pinky finger. I start with applying the MANIBOSS 2-in-1 gel base and top coat, and without curing, apply the flowers and arrange them to like how you like them to look to your nails. So I think I am going to add more flowers, so I'm going to cut some. So these are how the flowers looks like, but you just want to like cut and be gentle because they are so delicate. When you like apply too much pressure, it will like break or separate. So after arranging the flowers, again I am applying the MANIBOSS on top of the flowers to encapsulate them and to protect them. And don't worry if the flowers are like moving while you are applying the liquid, because you can still arrange it before you cure it in the lamp. So now I am using the tweezers to like arrange the flowers again, and after that fully cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I already top coated everything including the one with the stamping, so I just applied also the MANIBOSS, and yeah, this is how it looks like. So before we end, I am going to apply first some cuticle oil, and here is the finished look, and I think it really turned so cute and colorful. It is perfect for the spring. So yeah, make sure to check the description box. I'll be putting all the products that I used in there. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. See you again on my next video. Bye!